Welcome to the recently opened sea viewing deck here at Shivaji Park near Chaitya Bhumi. Let's take a tour.
The city of dreams, Mumbai, captivates everyone with its beauty. Now, as the city has got a new viewing deck in Dadar, Mumbaikars can enjoy an uninterrupted view of the Arabian Sea from the shore. It has been built with an idea to open more urban spaces to the public. Isn't it a great one? It is proposed to be named after wife of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and is to be called as Mata Ramabai Ambedkar Memorial Viewing Deck.
Wow, isn't that beautiful? Just look at that sea link.
It is.
This is the famous Bandra-Worli Sea Link. And this view must be looking so beautiful in the night.
I know, I agree.
With all the city lights around, even the breeze is awesome.
I think the sunset will look beautiful too, don't you think?
Lovely. We should come here at that time too.
Done. This strategically positioned viewing deck overlooks the Bandra-Worli Sea Link. It is built on 26 strong pillars that can accommodate around 300 people at a time. There are also 26 seating facilities for 100 people, who can enjoy the cool breeze and savor the gorgeous views of the Bandra-Worli Sea Link. It is a great place to visit with family and friends. We also saw some really cute kids running around. We also met an enthusiastic group of young people practicing flipping. It was a wonderful sight.
I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
This was a stormwater outfall which is now converted to a beautiful viewing deck. Isn't it a smart idea? It is also promoting a lot of small businesses. So let's do our bit and visit this wonderful viewing deck. After all, beautiful views should be enjoyed. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share the video with friends and family. Until next time.